come for me? Or was this all nasty surprise? Or maybe it's both. Maybe it is a nasty surprise, even though you knew I was going to be here. Which is it? You should think about that. Save yourself thinking about what's about to happen. Now, I'm not going to lie. It's not going to be nice and fun. I mean, it'll be fun for me, but it won't be nice for you.
Come on!
Have you come for me? Or was this all nasty surprise? Or maybe it's both. Maybe it is a nasty surprise, even though you knew I was going to be here. Which is it? You should think about that. Save yourself thinking about what's about to happen. Now, I'm not going to lie. It's not going to be nice and fun. I mean, it'll be fun for me, but it won't be nice for...
All right, that's enough.
Nasty.
That is something else.
Put him on the floor and let's take a
Who
look
the hell
at
are
him.
you? Get on out of here!
Fella been nothing nice. A lot of folk gone missing over the past few years, and this sick son of a bitch, he ain't right in the head.
That's so.
Head on over to the cellar of that broke-down shack on the road to the falls. See for yourself.
Okay, come on, you.
My name is Edmund Lowry Jr., and you'll remember that, my friend.
I'm sure I shall. You are a frightening fella.
Oh, I'll behave, sir. I'll behave as expected.
Well, you better. And I'll get you a lawyer, don't you worry about that. And you get in that cell, calm as you be. Get him off me! Thank you. Thank you, my lord. What a monster.
Like I said, have someone head up to his cabin. Think he's killed quite a few.
Oh, there's a lot of sick bastards out there.
Oh, that's a relief.
Here's some money for your trouble.
Thank you, Sheriff.
Now we gotta get this body out of here.
No need to check
Where's
on me,
a
mister.
deputy when you need
I'm
one?
still here. To save me.
Hey there.
What a mess.
I hope you thought about what you've done.
You
When
mean
you're
them
done,
poor,
come back
poor
with a
men I
mop.
killed? Sure. I thought about it.
Y'all knew this was Murfree Hills. You should be careful where you're camping.
I can look after myself. Besides, it's a free country.
Free country? No. Everything bought and paid for. And we gonna protect what's ours. Y'all be careful where you wander. Come on, let's go. I think you got the message.
Go kill you next time.
How about I camp where I want to?
And you won't be
God damn.
Hamish.
I got thrown and the bastard hog got me. Take a mule for me, would you? He's a good horse. He may be stubborn, but he's strong.
Hamish? Good pig. Shit. We got him, old man. Okay. There. Easy. Easy now. That's right, boy. You're okay. It's all right, ain't it? Come on, Mule. Let's go.